Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to make healthy oatmeal bread at home. It's easy, delicious, and packed with benefits. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Got everything? Awesome. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. This will make it super easy to get your bread out later. Next, in a large bowl, mix together the oats, whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good stir to make sure everything's combined. In another bowl, whisk together the honey or maple syrup, milk, applesauce, egg, and olive oil. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir everything together until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it, just enough so there are no dry spots. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan. Smooth out the top with a spatula. For a little extra flair, sprinkle some oats on top. It gives it a nice rustic look. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. This part is crucial. Cooling the bread helps it set and makes it easier to slice. And there you have it, delicious, healthy oatmeal bread that you made right at home. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even as a side with your favorite soup. Remember, this bread is packed with whole grains, fiber, and healthy fats. It's a great way to start your day or fuel your afternoon. Plus, it's super versatile. Add some nuts, seeds, or dried fruit to the batter for extra flavor and texture. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy baking. Until next time, stay healthy and enjoy your homemade oatmeal bread.